Hello friends, welcome to JijaAcademy. Today we are diving into the world of 3D geometry, that is the solid geometry, to master in the surface area of cylinder and prism. Two shapes that appear constantly in exam and competitive tests, SAT and ACT. So first one is a cylinder. Cylinder is the rectangular solid except that the base is circle instead of the rectangle. So this is the cylinder where base is the circle. So volume of the cylinder is equal to V is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius, this is the radius, and height is, this is the height. Circular surface area means this circular surface area is equal to 2 pi into radius into height, and total surface area is equal to, that is a circular surface area plus it's having one base, the circular base, we are adding this 2 pi r square plus circular base area, circular surface area. So total surface area is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now moving to the next, prism. A prism is three-dimensional figure that has two congruent parallel base. So the first one is a rectangular or square prism. Second one, second one is the circular prism, and third one is a triangular prism. So these two are the, this one and this one are the two congruent parallel base. So volume of the prism is equal to B into H, where B is the area of one of the base and H is the height. Now we are taking some problem. First problem is a cube and a cylinder have a same height and equal volume. If the edge of cube is 10 centimeter, what is the radius of cylinder? Now here cube edge is equal to 10 centimeter. So volume of cube is equal to 10 cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now cylinder have the same height. Cube and cylinder have the same height. Now cylinder height is equal to 10. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, that is the pi 10 pi into r square. So we know that the volume of cube and cylinder are the same. So 10 pi r square is equal to 1000. So r square is equal to 1000 upon 10 pi. So r is equal to 10 upon pi under root pi. So option D is the correct answer. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is a rectangular prism has the dimension in the ratio of 2:3:5. If the volume of the prism is equal to the volume of the cube with edge 6 centimeter, find the dimension of the prism. So here is the one is prism and another one is a cube. So cube edge having 6 centimeter. So volume of the cube is equal to 6 to the power 3, that is a 216 centimeter cube. Now let dimension of prism are 2x, 3x and 5x. So volume of prism is equal to 2x into 3x into 5x is equal to 30x cube. Now they are equal volume, that prism volume and cube volume are the same. So 30x cube is equal to 216. So x is equal to, x cube is equal to 7.2 and x is equal to 1.93 around. So we are finding 2x, 3x and 5x. So 2x is equal to 3.86 centimeter, 5.79 centimeter and 5x is equal to 9.65 centimeter. So these three are the dimension of the prism. So option C is the correct answer. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is the height of cylinder is twice its radius and its circumference is C. Express the volume in terms of C. So circumference is equal to C is equal to 2 pi r. So radius is equal to C upon 2 pi. And here height is given there, tau is the radius, so 2r. So volume is equal to pi r square h. So pi C upon 2 pi and h is the 2r. So square pi into C upon 2 pi and 2 into C upon 2 pi. So we get here C cube upon 4 pi square volume. This is the answer. So option A is the correct answer. This is the volume in terms of circumference. Now moving to the next problem. A cylinder is drilled out of a cube edge A such that the cylinder fits perfectly inside the cube. Find the volume of the remaining solid in the terms of A. So here cube edge is equal to A. So cube volume is equal to A cube. And if this is the cube and in that there is the cylinder like that, so this is the radius, that is this is A, so this is A by 2, radius is A by 2. So for cylinder, radius is equal to A by 2 and height is A, height is equal to A. So we are finding the volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So pi into A by 2 square into A. So we got pi A cube upon 4. So volume of remaining solid is equal to cube volume minus cylinder volume. So cube volume is A cube minus pi A cube upon 4. So we got here A cube 1 minus pi by 4. So option C is the correct answer. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is a metal rectangular prism with the dimension 4 cm into 6 cm into 9 cm is melted and recast into cube of h 3 cm. How many such cube can be made? So one is that is a prism, and from we melted and we are making small cubes. So how many cubes are these are we are finding. So here prism volume is equal to 4 into 6 into 9 is equal to 216 centimeter cube, and cube volume is equal to, they are giving 3 cube is equal to 27 centimeter cube. So number of cubes is equal to 216 upon 27 is equal to 8. So option D is the correct answer. Moving to the next problem. Next problem is a cylinder and a cube have a equal surface area if the edge of the cube is 12 centimeter and the radius of cylinder is a 6 centimeter, what is the height of the cylinder? Here cylinder and cube have equal surface area. So cube surface area of cube surface area is equal to 6a square. So 6a square is equal to, cube is having a is equal to 12. So 6 into 12 square is equal to 864 centimeter cube. So radius of cylinder is given 6 centimeter and we are finding the height of cylinder. But total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, and both area are the same. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 864. So 2 into pi into r, cylinder radius they are given 6 centimeter. So 6 square plus 2 into pi into 6 into h is equal to 864. After calculating, we got h is equal to 16.92 centimeter height. So option B is the correct answer. Now moving to the seventh problem. Seventh problem is the volume of the cube is numerically equal to lateral surface area of cylinder. If the cube has edge length A and cylinder has radius R, find the height of cylinder in terms of A and R. That is, the lateral surface area is a circular surface area. So what is volume of the cube? No. Now volume of the cube is equal to A cube, and lateral surface area means circular surface area, lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h is equal to A cube. So h is equal to A cube upon 2 pi r. So option A is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the JijaAcademy channel. Thank you.